नितिन, एक पिछले 6 महीने में जो एक और डिबेट रही है वो है वीकली एक्सपायरीज को लेकर, एक्सचेंजेस के बीच में कंपटीशन। वेयर डू यू स्टैंड? बिकॉज आपके प्लेटफॉर्म पे बीएसई के ऑप्शंस में भी काफ़ी लिक्विडिटी है, एनएसई के ऑप्शंस में भी। वेयर डू यू स्टैंड ऑन दिस होल थिंग? और आपने एमएससीआई में भी पैसा डाला है, क्या एक और एक्सचेंज को भी रिवाइव होने की तैयारी हो रही है यहाँ पर? यू हैव पुट मनी, ग्रो हैज़ पुट मनी इन एमएससीआई, व्हाट्स दैट अबाउट?
No, I mean, the idea with putting money behind MSEI, the bunch of brokers have come in together and put it. And the idea is that, you need an alternate venue, as in US has something like 18 exchanges. And, India needs to have more exchanges, and that's really the objective behind putting money behind the exchange. And and about weekly expiry and competition between the exchanges, I can't really comment on this.
Yeah. No, but do you think, to your mind, it's a good idea to have just one weekly expiry per exchange? Just your view.
Yeah, I think, and personally, I feel I kind of think one per week is more than enough in this.
Is more than enough. अब ज़ीरोधा को लेकर आगे क्या प्लान है नितिन? आपने एक ज़ीरोधा जो वर्सिटी है उस पर काफ़ी काम किया, इन्वेस्टर एजुकेशन, फ्री है वो प्लेटफॉर्म। क्या इस दिशा में थोड़ा और काम होगा? विल यू लुक टू डू मोर सच इनिशिएटिव्स लाइक इन्वेस्टर एजुकेशन एटसेट्रा, मोर फिलैंथ्रोपी?
Of course, Abhi Varsity, we have taken, this thing called Varsity Live, which is like a live education thing. And Varsity apna, we have YouTube channel, etc. So through which also we are trying to educate. And as Zerodha, we are doing a bunch of other things like NBFC help, no? So we kind of give out loan against securities. We are doing insurance through Ditto. We are doing AMC through with small case, like that. So bunch of startups ke saath, we have a close bonding of sorts. So and we're trying to build a business that way. So.
अच्छा नितिन, आपकी लाइफ में फिलॉसफी क्या है? मुझे याद है आपने एक बार ट्वीट किया था जब मैंने ज़ीरोधा की वैल्यूएशंस पर एक ट्वीट डाला था कि बिजनेसेस लाइक योर्स आर जस्ट वन रेगुलेशन अवे फ्रॉम देयर प्रॉफिट लिटरली गेटिंग हाफ्ड. सो like, do you sleep with this knowledge that anything can change and my business can turn upside down?
Absolutely. In a regulated business, I think the biggest risk on the business is the regulations itself, and definitely, and that's the reason, it's probably not fair for us to be listed, so because for example, like this options trading thing that's weekly that's been removed. Has caused a drawdown of like 30, 35, 40% in the revenues. And it was all out of the blue, the regulation that came in. So like that, so any regulation can significantly hurt the business. And the idea with not listing is also that maybe we'll go attempt building diversity in the business. Diversification in terms of insurance, in terms of loans, in terms of AMC, etc. So and essentially, possibly, hopefully, at the end of it, we'll have a diversified business, and possibly at that time we would think of listing. So.
Yeah, that's interesting. 30 to 40% you said. तो क्या ये माने कि जो current year could be a bit of a peak year for you, at least in the foreseeable future, in terms of earnings?
Yeah, not the current year, the last year.
Yes, the last year. Yes, the last year.
The current year, yeah. Yeah. So this year would be will significantly be lesser than the last year, and I think the last year revenue etc. would definitely be peak for some time to come.
Okay, thanks for being so candid. अच्छा, आखिरी सवाल, आप अपनी फिटनेस पे भी काफ़ी ध्यान देते हैं, तो कितना समय निकालते हैं आप फिटनेस के लिए?
I think 1 to 2 hours in the morning. I get up quite early, and get my workout. And generally the idea with fitness is to keep moving and then be conscious about what you eat. So conscious about what I eat, I'm more conscious recently, in the last 1-2 years. So, but yeah. So.
Easier said than done, Nithin, I can say from थोड़ा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. लेकिन बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आज हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और हमसे बात करने के लिए, और आपको इस शानदार जर्नी के लिए बहुत बहुत मुबारक, और आगे आने वाली जर्नी के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thanks Anuj.
Thank you.